Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious crab meat salad. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of quality crab meat, either fresh or imitation. Also, prepare a 1/4 cup of finely chopped crisp celery and 2 tablespoons of diced red onion. For the dressing, have a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice ready. Don't forget a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now, let's prepare the main components. Begin by gently flaking your crab meat into a spacious mixing bowl. It's important to ensure all the crab pieces are separated and relatively uniform in size for the best texture. Next, add your finely diced celery and red onion to the bowl with the crab. Carefully mix these ingredients together, making sure they are well distributed without mashing the crab. This step sets the foundation for a perfectly textured salad. The dressing is key to a flavorful crab salad. In a separate small bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Whisk these together until they are smooth and well blended. Then, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, continuing to whisk until fully incorporated. Finally, season the dressing with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Taste it and adjust the seasoning as needed to achieve your desired flavor profile. Almost there. Now, pour your creamy dressing over the crab and vegetable mixture in the large bowl. Using a spatula, gently fold all the ingredients together until everything is evenly coated with the dressing. Be careful not to overmix, as this can break down the crab. For the best flavor, chill your crab salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Serve it on crisp lettuce, in a sandwich, or with your favorite crackers. Enjoy your homemade crab meat salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.